Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a machine built for devouring miles, the touring motorcycle. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting to dream of cross-country adventures, touring bikes offer a unique blend of comfort, power, and practicality. So, buckle up, and let's see what makes these road warriors tick. Key features. Comfort is king. Touring bikes prioritize rider and passenger comfort. Plush seats, upright riding positions, and wind protection from fairings make long hauls a breeze. Think of it as your personal throne on two wheels. Storage space galore. Unlike your average motorcycle, touring bikes boast spacious saddlebags and often a top case, providing ample room for luggage, gear, and souvenirs. Packing for that 2-week road trip? No problem. Engineered for endurance, touring motorcycles pack a powerful punch, often with large engines delivering smooth acceleration and effortless highway cruising. They're built to handle long distances without breaking a sweat. Tech-savvy companions. Many modern touring bikes come loaded with technology, like cruise control, electronically adjustable windshields, heated grips, and even infotainment systems. It's like having a luxury car on two wheels. Performance. These aren't lightweight speed demons, but touring motorcycles offer a different kind of performance. They excel at maintaining speed comfortably, thanks to their powerful engines and wind protection. You won't be carving corners on a racetrack, but you'll be devouring miles in style. Design elements. Touring motorcycles have a distinct look. They're bigger and heavier than your average bike, with large fairings, windshields, and luggage capabilities. But don't be fooled by their size. Some touring bikes manage to look elegant and aerodynamic despite their bulk. Unique selling points. Now, let's talk about what makes touring motorcycles truly special. The open road experience. There's nothing quite like the feeling of freedom that comes with exploring the country on a touring bike. It's an adventure unlike any other. Versatility. Touring bikes aren't just for long journeys. They're also great for weekend getaways or comfortable daily commutes. They offer a lot of bang for your buck. A community on two wheels. Touring motorcycle owners are a passionate bunch. There's a strong sense of camaraderie among riders who share a love for the open road. So, if you're dreaming of epic adventures and exploring new horizons, a touring motorcycle might be your perfect companion. They're comfortable, powerful, and packed with features to make your journey enjoyable. Of course, there are many different touring bikes on the market, each with its own strengths. Do your research. Consider your needs and budget, and find the bike that speaks to your inner adventurer. Thanks for joining me today, and happy riding.